Good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Viva Jane Danga. I am 28 years old from Taribobotuaw, East Cagayan, Philippines, married and blessed with one children. I have 6 years experience working as a helper here in the Philippines. I serve four members of the family, such as one couple and two children, aged 7 and 3 years old. My main duties are take good care of the children, doing the laundrying, cleaning the house, marketing, cooking, ironing clothes, and maintaining the cleanliness of the house. I am honest person, trustworthy, hardworking, and loyal to my future employer. Please hire me as your helper. And I promise I will do my duties and responsibilities. Thank you and God bless, ma'am and sir.